Hey there guys, my name is Schuyler from Risco Music, and here we have the Boss RC-600. There's a lot of great features on this looper, but the first thing off the bat is that it has all these labels here, but you can change that if you'd like. There's the track select, the undo, the all start stop button on this top channel here. This track select goes through 3 channels. The first 2 are the actual loop tracks, so you get 6, 3 on each. And then the third channel is the effects for the tracks and for the inputs. So you have all that stuff. There's plenty of input effects from reverb to granular, delay, and even a reverse button. What I like to do is I sit down and I click this all start stop button to click a beat in. There is a tempo and rhythm button, so you can really get into those if you'd like. I like to keep it simple, and I just start off and I'll click record and play to get myself going. There's a quantize feature, so if you make a mistake, it can fix it for you. So it's a nice thing to have. Now I have a nice little loop of 2 tracks. I have another 4 left to go if I'd like. But this is a really incredible thing. I use this every day, and I can use it to make songs, I can use it for live performance, or I can even plug 2 instruments into it and play along with a friend. If you'd like to learn more about this instrument, you can definitely check it out at riscomusic.com. All right, take care.